Have you been trying to enable your Pinterest shop and become a verified merchant, but every single time you try and apply again, you get rejected? Well, in this video, we're going to discuss the errors that can come up when trying to set up your Pinterest verified merchant account and how to fix them. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel, we talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. If you're interested in those topics, make sure to click the subscribe button before you leave. So the first and main error that can come up when trying to enable your Pinterest shop and become a verified merchant is that your data feed is not being uploaded correctly, or you see you have issues with your data feed. Please update it in order to get verified, or your products are just not properly linked in the data feed. In this case, you'll need to go through the process again of creating and uploading your data feed and your products to Pinterest in order to make this error go away and for your products to be synced properly with your Pinterest account. If you want to make sure that your data feed is being uploaded correctly, I suggest using their integration method for different types of platforms, and here are the ones they currently support. For Shopify, for example, all you need to do is go to your Shopify apps, install the Pinterest app, and that will help you claim your website as well as deliver your Shopify products to your Pinterest account. If that is not an option for you and you don't integrate in those platforms that I showed you, make sure to download the data feed example in the link below, fill it out with all your products necessary information, and then download it and upload it to Pinterest. Whenever you will have updates on new products, just update the data feed and re-upload it to Pinterest to add the new products to Pinterest. It is a lot easier if you have a platform that you can integrate to Shopify, but you can also do this manually with the data feed, as I said, if your platform just doesn't go right now or Pinterest doesn't support it yet. The next error that can come up is that the merchant domain is incomplete or not properly claimed. To fix that, you will need to make sure that your domain name and your custom domain are properly claimed in your Pinterest profile. For that, go to settings, go to claim website, and make sure that you add your proper domain there, and then get one of the custom codes, add them to either your domain provider or to the head section of your website to verify that domain. Third error that can come up is that the merchant does not meet the minimum quality requirements. Let's review what those are. Your website must be a professional designed one without fuzzy or grainy images. Your about page must be original and written by you. They suggest avoiding stock images if you can, and you must not have ads or pop-ups that are hard to close or anything else. You can review all of their requirements and see if you have any of these available at the link below. The fourth error is that the shipping and returns page is incomplete or doesn't meet the requirements. Your returns page must be easy to find and have all the information your client needs, as well as that your shipping policy page must include the shipping times, how long it takes to ship, how big the return window is. If you want, you can fix these issues, rewrite your shipping and returns policy page, and then re-appeal by telling them that your website is now compliant and that your shipping and returns page have updated information. And the next reason why you're having a hard time getting the Pinterest verified merchant status or starting your Pinterest shop is because this program is not yet available in your country. Currently, it is only available in Austria, Australia, Brazil, Canada, Switzerland, Germany, Spain, France, the UK, Italy, Mexico, the Netherlands, and the United States. So if you've been having a hard time trying to enable this feature, it is probably because it is not yet available in your area, and Pinterest might let you upload a data feed, but the product tagging in general, it will not work because you're not in one of those areas. So there you go. These are some issues that you might be facing when trying to enable the Pinterest verified merchant status and get your products tagged on Pinterest. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at lydia.incomingsuccess for more content on growing online with social media and making more money online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.